Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight on Wall Street, markets ended mixed as weakness in chip and technology stocks weighed on sentiment. The S&P 500 fell 0.28% while the Nasdaq declined 0.76%. The Dow bucked the trend, gaining 0.26%. Asian markets opened mostly lower. Japan's Nikkei slipped 0.55%, while the TOPIX was marginally lower. South Korea's KOSPI fell 2.37%, the KOSDAQ declined 1.23%, while Australia's ASX 200 gained 0.29% in early trade. Nifty closed at 24,219 in the previous session, marking a loss of 33 points. The index formed a bearish candle with a lower shadow, indicating some profit booking after facing resistance near the upper band of the falling channel in place since August 3rd. However, it held near the 50-day SMA and recovered sharply. For the trend to reverse and regain positive momentum, the index needs a decisive close above the falling channel near 24,300. For today's session, 24,300 will remain the key resistance level to watch. A sustained breakout above this level could trigger fresh buying and push the index towards 24,400. On the downside, 24,100 is expected to provide immediate support. The 24,000 level remains a crucial support zone, and holding it will be important to maintain the broader market structure. Concluding Monday on a negative note after intensified selling during the day, benchmark indices failed to extend the relief rally as rising global bond yields and elevated crude prices offset domestic institutional buying in realty and metals. The rupee gained marginally to 95.73 against the US dollar, while FIIs bought 1,181 crores in cash, taking monthly inflows to 20,490 crores. Nifty futures declined marginally amid short build-up, with premiums narrowing from 34 points to a 9-point discount. Bank Nifty futures fell 285 points amid log unwinding, with premiums moving from a 40-point discount to an 89-point discount. In the options market, positioning remained balanced with a 1-to-1 call and put bias. Call writing and put hedging were seen at 24,300. Call positions were unwound at 24,500, while put positions were unwound at 23,800. Nifty PCR dropped sharply to 0.83 from 1.11, while Bank Nifty PCR declined from 0.98 to 0.83. India's VIX rose 2.9% to 11.53, reflecting heightened geopolitical risks. The FII long-short ratio remained at 0.09, with FIIs continuing to short index futures and buy puts, alongside mild call covering and minor covering in stock futures. Volatility long proprietary desks continue to accumulate index options while selling stock futures, leaving bearish clients largely unhedged. Reduced exposure in index futures and options could make them vulnerable to panic-driven short covering. For today, 24,000 remains the key support, while 24,350 is the major resistance for Nifty. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.